Saturday, December 25th, 2021. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. All right, so this time around, I'll open up this socket set. Got it off Amazon, Epauto, about 22 bucks, 1/2 inch. They're deep sockets. What I'll do is open the case. We'll take a look at it, see if it's worth buying, see if it's something you'll be interested in. I bought them for a reason. I'll get into that in the next minute or so. Can we trust this? Let's find out. I actually wanted a mechanics tool set. You know, one of the Craftsman or the Huskies, maybe the Cobalt, I don't know. They were pricey. No, they were actually good deals on some of them. But around Black Friday, they were hard to get. So I said, I just want deep sockets. Why not this? Time to open up the case. There's a tab here and here. See what we got. All right. Black. They're marked. That's always good. I don't know how long that'll last. We'll see. Yep. 10, 11. Okay. Well, they made good on that. Feel somewhat sturdy. All right, got the 10. We got the 11, 12. And we got another 12. I don't know about you, but I thought 13 came after 12. All right. We got 14. Looks like a 16, 17. Okay, so forth and so on. All right, you're not going to get all the sizes in a row. Sometimes they skip a size, but I know you're not supposed to get two of the same sizes. This clearly says 10, 11, 12. Yep, 13, and this is 12 and 12. No 15, but it should be a 13. What have we learned thus far, people? Well, you get what you pay for. 22 bucks, 11 sockets. One is missing, so they replaced it with one of the same. I'm not particularly pleased with that, but I understand. I'm sure I can call the company, work it out. No need to go to the Supreme Court. No need to call a lawyer. Clearly, on the box, it says 10, 11, 12, 13, and so forth and so on. I didn't get that, but there's no need to panic. It's not a big deal. Overall, I think this deep socket set will work. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.